As the Australian population grows and unemployment tracks lower, more and more pressure is being placed on the labour market. A skills shortage is again proving an issue for business. One company looking to take advantage of the situation is Clarius Group, a specialised recruitment services company. For more on the state of the labour market and the rise of Clarius, Brooke Corty spoke to Kim Quick, the company's Chief Operating Officer.
A little bit about the conditions that you're seeing at the moment. We are hearing from big business about their concerns of a skills shortage. Are you seeing evidence of that?
Absolutely. We certainly are seeing a dramatic climb out of what was a really moderate skills market about 12 months ago, and certainly given the severity of the impact of the global financial crisis, it was interesting to see that even during that, the oversupply of skills was never really in abundance in most sectors. Obviously over the last quarter and certainly the last half, we've seen a dramatic increase in demand, though the last quarter has slowed down a little bit, and not a significant increase in supply in a lot of sectors.
And so when you hear politicians talking at the moment about the population debate, speaking of the need to really crack down on immigration, I guess, is the tone of the whole discussion. What do you think?
Look, that's a concern for us. We obviously are on the rock face in the forefront of seeing the issues created, and certainly in no small way around what pressure on wages with the shortage of skills. And you know, there were 30,000 odd visa approvals in the last 12 months, of which 40% or up to 40% went into the areas where there is the most dramatic skill shortage. So any tightening or restriction on that is certainly going to cause more severe pressure.
Now, Clarius was established about 25 years ago, listed in 1997. Just tell us what was behind that decision to list.
Look, I guess I'm not having been with the organisation when that happened. I think the company saw an opportunity to grow. Back in the listing days, it was predominantly an IT recruitment business, and they were really looking to diversify the portfolio and go into sectors outside of the IT arena, which is obviously what's happened over the last 5-6 years. We've certainly grown a lot by acquisition and moved into a lot of sectors that historically the candle business, as it was known back then, was never really in a position to capitalise on.
Yeah, is that strategy of acquisitions something that you're looking to continue?
Look, we'll always look at good acquisitions. Certainly acquisitions in areas that we don't currently have a capability will always be on our horizon. However, that's not to take away from the importance of organic growth, and I guess I look at the market and its current condition, and there's a lot of opportunity for businesses like ours to actually grow organically.
When you talk of areas of possible acquisition opportunities, are you talking region-wise? I mean, you've pushed into Asia. Is that where you see really the growth potential?
There's an enormous opportunity for growth in the Asian market. We do actually have a footprint in Asia. We're certainly actively at the moment looking at working to grow that as we see the Asian market just really going from strength to strength. So that is a very high on our list of priorities for certain.
And are conditions at the moment conducive to acquisitions and you know, growth? I suppose the kind of growth profile you're talking about.
Yeah, look, certainly it's probably, I think our organisation is in a good position to now sort of look at additional growth opportunities, given that we do have a very broad coverage, and I guess we're always looking for things that will complement our service delivery. And look, I guess the secret to acquisitions is good acquisitions, and you know, we'll always take a look at opportunities either in geographies that we're not currently in or within sectors that we're not currently in.
And given, I guess, the broader market uncertainty that everyone's watching on a daily basis at the moment, do you think that provides or poses, I suppose, a challenge to you as a smaller listed company?
Yeah, look, certainly. Obviously, whenever there's any shakiness or wobbles in the marketplace, recruitment is often the first thing that most organisations do look at, so we do tend to feel the implications first and foremost. However, having said that, I think the value proposition for recruitment companies is very strong, given the market as far as the skills shortage goes. A lot of organisations are finding it very hard to attract talent, and that's what we're in the business of doing. So from that point of view, you know, we've certainly come through a difficult market and in good shape, and certainly in a good position, I think, to capitalise on what we see coming ahead before us.
And that's all we have time for. From the team here, thanks for your company.